welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Today is a double-header Saturday. In this video, we'll be talking about Punjab Kings versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. और इस मैच में यार जो स्टार्ट हुआ सनराइजर्स का हम लोग बहुत खुश थे. We were jumping out of our seats. We thought Sunrisers are back. We were saying Abhishek is back. Take that, Suryavanshi. This is how you play. 105 in the power play. It looked amazing. We broke the record as well. But उसके बाद भाई जो टिप हुआ, Klaasen came. Was very slow. Middle order didn't step up to the mark. I don't know why NKR didn't bat in his regular position. Shashank, that over changed the game for me. It was a very good spell. Excellent captaincy from Shreyas Iyer. And then in the second innings, there was no holding back. Shivam Kumar bowled really well, but he got zero support. He was the only guy who bowled well in this game. Faz by joining me as well. Faz, a very disappointing day in the office for Sunrisers.
Yeah, bhai, started off. Oh my God, आज तो 300, 350 के projected scores देख रहे हो आप, and Travis Sheikh did what they had to do. 105 is every team's dream to get in the power play, but post that जो breaks लगाया, and credit to Shreyas Iyer भाई, such a smart reader of the game. बहुत ही चालू तरीके से चहल और शशांक को इंट्रोड्यूस करा. दोनों टॉप ओपनर चले गए, क्लासन किशन आ गए. फिर भी आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं थोड़ा फायर पावर. आई अंडरस्टैंड थोड़ा फंस रहा था, बट 12 ओवर में जब 150 आते हैं, यू वुड एक्सपेक्ट टू like 240 maybe you would expect. And then with the firepower that you have, right, like the brand of cricket जो आप खेलते हो, और उसके चलते हैं जब नहीं लगा बॉल के साथ, again lackluster line length and just field placements, awful field placements. The only shining knight in armor, whatever you want to say, is Shivam Kumar Harsh Dubey. Apart from that, like lackluster bowling. Right?
Yeah, and that's the thing, right? Like I know there's a lot of criticism on Ishan Kishan captaincy, and obviously जब आप हार रहे हैं तो कप्तान को ही blame करेंगे. Every captain who doesn't do well, doesn't win the team, you're going to blame the captain. The only reason I have sympathy for him is that whatever field is setting, the bowler is bowling in the different direction, right? Like I understand that you need fielders at point, cover, and everything, but when you're asked to bowl a certain length or line and you're bowling the different, total opposite, you're getting hit on the leg side, or if you have a leg side field, you're getting hit on the outside. Like that is the problem, right? And it just shows that we don't have the bowling who can hit a hard line. We don't have the accurate bowling. Ek do ball acha dalte, but we don't back it up. And the surprising thing for me is that Punjab are actually worse than us in the power play. But the way they pull things back is, showing that we might have. They might have 2-3 bowlers who will have a bad day, but then they have 2 guys who can back it up. We have only 1 bowler who had a good day. The rest got absolutely smashed. I still feel the way we're set up, we need our batting to do well in every game. And today we did very well. We got the platform, and that is why I'm upset with Klaasen. I think Henrik Klaasen, if he just got that 30 runs, it could have changed the complexion of the game. Again, there is no guarantee we would have won a game with 250 also. Lekin it just heightens your chances. Punjab playing at home, they would feel a bit antsy कि भाई चलो run rate और बढ़ते जा रहा 2-3 विकेट बीच में चले गए. It would have been difficult. Lekin at least we would have got to that stage, but that's where I felt let down today.
Yeah, 100%. I think, like you mentioned, batsmen, that's a strategy to go, and I think they know it. And once you get 105, there is no better platform for the batsmen that you look in the list, and you would expect that at the any given day, or 100 add करने वाले, right? Like 150 add करेंगे. Bowlers के हद तक यार, like I understand कुछ है नहीं हमारे पास. So this is where I would again call out when you said Praful Hinge को आप try करोगा, फिर JD Unatkat करने चलेगा. I'm not saying Hinge will get you a 5-4, but some kind of a fresh breath of air. Like today we saw in the Chennai game, Gurjat ने पुला लिए. They tried something different, and that's what I'm just trying to see कि Shakir Hussain शिवम अभी कोई तो आके कुछ different लेके आएगा to the table, right? फिर वही pace off, ठीक है. That was what the need of the hour was, pace off. But length बहुत pathetic. Field placement, power play में आप first और Harsh Dubey को दे दिए. Harsh Dubey को in a power play setup it's actually difficult for him. I think when it slows up, field spread हुए बाद it's better to bring in a spinner. So these few things, I get it. Kishan came like very last minute to captain, but basics, like bowling rotation, combinations, even he's bechara not able to understand this team. And the batting again, like I think they started off amazing, like a Lamborghini, and did like a Christina.
Yeah. The problem is that whoever he gives the ball to, it will be a spinner's bowling. That is the biggest problem there. Because Unatkat, I think, bowled the second over, or whichever.
Ishan Malinga.
Harshit Patel in his first over got hit for 21.
2 overs, 39 runs.
Yeah. So that is the problem. We have spinners everywhere,
so,
and none of them
are like SOS mode में है. Shakir Hussain को try करो, Praful Hinge है, Omkar Tarmale हैं आपके पास. I know these are not big names, but maybe you might find some kind of a pace for 140 is what Praful Hinge can bowl, right? Like, and the spinner did a good job. I don't know, adding another spinner would have been the way to go. Something we have to try different. NKR didn't get over this game. I think one over.
He bowled a couple.
He bowled. So yeah, right now it's very difficult from where we're sitting. LSG का game आपको थोड़ा हो पाया था bowling के साथ, but again you went back to Unadkat and the clan of pace off. I understand, but right now there's no winning up till you're batting the 250.
You know, the surprising thing is they might not be getting the players that you want, but they are changing stuff in every game, right? You know, one game Livingston played today, Livingston didn't play. NKR batted at 5, now batted at 7, 8. So there is in the decision making in the think tank, there is a lot of confusion. They don't know what the best combination है. आपको पता नहीं कौन किधर बैटिंग कर रहा है. अगर आप देखें, you know, सब पंजाब की बैटिंग लाइनअप बहुत जबरदस्त बोल रहे थे, मगर सनराइजर्स का इक्वली अच्छा बैटिंग लाइनअप, you bat as equally deep as they do. Lekin you're also not settling in your team. You don't know which is your perfect combination. You don't know what your batting order is. And look, when you're going to invest 24 crores on somebody, I completely understand. He deserved that money for what he's done in the past. But you also have to understand that what is the situation he's coming into the IPL with. If you didn't know that Klaasen would be batting like this, you're blind. You don't know about cricket, right? Like आपको पता ही नहीं कि आप उम्मीद पे कि क्लासन उस पे वो करना. But what about the lead up to the IPL? What has been his preparation apart from the SC T20? Where have you seen him? You've not seen him much. So that is a huge cause for concern. When you know that he's there, maybe you need a backup player over there. Maybe you should have done something different. Maybe you should have not retained him for that much, got him later in the auction, and put that other money somewhere else.
Yeah, adding to that, I think the one more thing is like the pitch reading. It's the changes that we're making don't make sense. You know, like even in the game in Hyderabad, when you know probably will a black soil pitch, right? Like थोड़ा Kamindu Mendes को देखो यार, आपको जब मालूम आपको Livingston bowling नहीं देगा. I don't know. I think he's injured. He's not fit. He didn't bowl. Kamindu को try करो. आज try कर सकते. कुछ तो आप make it sensible change. Like a Unadkat last match, we saw that confidence had blown over. आप उसको फिर ball दे दिए. इधर भी आज फिर आप उसको बॉल दे दी. So there are things like adding to what the Klaasen point. I agree. Like he doesn't look in the sorts. Some people will definitely argue that Klaasen is getting the runs, but again, effectiveness of those runs are also what you will want.
Yeah.
So there's that thing that the horses for courses वाली बात है. तो एटलीस्ट हाँ उतने लेवल का हॉर्स नहीं होगा, लेकिन सही टाइम पे कुछ तो ट्राई करो अलग and make sense. Like the Livingston thing, like I won't understand playing him in a game where wicket फंस गया, when English people like traditionally they struggle against that kind of balance. So I mean, yeah, it's all over the place right now, but this all leads back to what Mustafa Bhai and me have been saying. Auction mein he just messed up, but that doesn't mean like you have to give up on the season. I think you still can fight. Like you see Chennai today, they're fighting. Try to make a game out of whatever is left, I guess.
Yeah, and Punjab Kings looking like a very solid team. श्रेयस अय्यर मैं जितना भी तारीफ करा कम है भाई, उन्हें उसकी कप्तानी तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है. जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा ये सीजन का मेरे को तो दिखा रहा है ये बहुत सॉलिड कैप्टन है. रिकी पॉन्टिंग बहुत जबरदस्त कोच है. You look at the individual performance as well. Shashank was for me the man of the match because उसका जो game changing spell था, Travis Head और अभिषेक शर्मा दोनों को निकाला उन्हें, and we did not expect that. Like, and that is why this man is a genius captain. He did something that you did not expect. Out of nowhere, Shashank came. He understood the game. But 106 मतलब अपन भी उतना नहीं concede करे, but we still were panicking. इन लोग भाई 106 फिर भी उन्हें गेम जो लेके आया श्रेयस अय्यर, that guy is a genius guy, and Shashank, what a क्या बोलते so execution. Chahal भी अच्छा ही डाल लिया. Overall, their power was very poor. Arshdeep didn't bowl to their potential and everything, but then they pulled it back. Bartlett, Jansen, everyone, they pulled it back in the death overs.
And before we forget Mustafa, sorry, Jansen's catch.
Yeah, the catch. I was just getting to that. Jansen's catch was like next level. Like I think he covered 22 meters with his long legs. Maybe it looks like he covered it very quick, but that was a crazy catch, man.
The simplicity in that, right? Like it would look like someone has hit the ball with like practice. Just picked it up and
you saw Arshdeep ka reaction by kya catch le liya. You could see his reaction. This was a fantastic catch. He was crazy as well. They fielded pretty well, and then with the bat, uppar ke aapke Arya and Prabh Simran smashed it. Today it wasn't Connolly's day, but then you had Shreyas Iyer. That's what I'm saying. They have 4 batsmen now. It's not 3; it's 4 batsmen.
It's a bat till 9. Like just look at it. Don't look at it on merit. Maybe like right at this point, was Stoinis hai. Jansen hai, and the other Vaishak can bat as well.
Yeah.
Then if you want to bring like someone else in the dugout, they've got like Shedge, they got Nehal, but they're all not doing well at this time.
उन्हें भी छक्का मार दिया out of form, cover के ऊपर. Like they have a lot of options right now. Punjab is looking like a very strong team. उन लोग playoff का दिख रहे favorite. देखते हैं क्या होता है आगे जाके. But this is 2 points in the back. If you're a Punjab fan, I know you'll be thinking अरे इतने रन खा लिए power play में, but you're playing against a top batting lineup. Without bias, bolo, it is a very good batting lineup. But apart from that, that's the only good thing about this team right now. Rajasthan is coming next to Hyderabad. God help us, but hopefully we'll still back the team and let's see what happens. And yeah, congratulations to Punjab. Thank you first for joining. Make sure you guys are hitting the like button, subscribe button. Stay tuned and to Chasing Trophies. You can follow us on Instagram as well. We got Faiz also. You can follow him over there. If you have any questions about Sunrisers and their debacle, you can ask him there too. Do follow him. Do follow us. We're trying as much as we can. We're live 12 hours a day, especially on weekends. So we would appreciate all your help. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Bye bye.